Hello, fellow aquarists. Today we have an unusual and exciting video. I have prepared an amazing experiment for you, which we are going to do right now with pleasure. I found a live cockroach and I'm going to throw it into the aquarium with my cichlids. Let's jointly observe how the fish react to this unusual food. At first, of course, they didn't realize what this strange object was floating in front of their eyes. But then the bravest fish decided to be the first to try the amazing catch. And like a wave, the rest of them joined the lunch too. Let's see together how the fish interact with this live food and marvel at their ability to survive and adapt to different situations. The jump into the aquarium world starts now. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like.